Welcome to this SalesPoint tutorial. Today, we're diving into the dashboard and sales screen to help you navigate your way around our app. The dashboard is a centralized hub where you'll orchestrate the day-to-day management of your business. From analyzing sales figures to managing inventory, accessing key business insights, customizing settings, products, and customers. The dashboard empowers you to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. Now the sales screen. This is where transactions come to life. Whether you're processing a sale as an admin or a staff member, the sales screen is your gateway to seamless and efficient transactions. To get started, let's explore how to access the sales screen. For admins or store owners, once you log in using your credentials, you'll be directed to the dashboard overview. Click the Start Sale button to navigate to the sales screen. Staff with custom permissions can also access the dashboard, which we will discuss later. For staff without dashboard access, you'll be automatically directed to the sales screen upon logging in. Once logged in, this is where transactions come to life. Whether you're processing a sale as an admin or a staff member, the sales screen is your gateway to seamless and efficient transactions. Before starting a sale, let's introduce the key buttons and features on the sales screen. This is the search bar. Here, you can look up customers or products. Select an item to add it to the sale, or click the information icon next to their name for more details. Next, we have the Tables button. This feature is useful for hospitality businesses, allowing you to park a sale to a table and process payment later. You can enable this from the dashboard. Then, there's the Takeaways queue. This is where all takeaway orders are managed, whether active or archived, unless deleted. This feature is also designed for hospitality businesses. Enable the Dining Choice toggle from the dashboard to use it. The Recall button is where you can access all your orders. For all business types, you can record and recall sales here. If you have tables and takeaways enabled, those options will appear too. This feature is great for retrieving sales in various ways. You can search by sale ID, date of purchase, customer, most recent sale, parked sale, or use the Sales Search button. It's a really handy feature that makes the most of SalesPoint for your business. If you're using a cash drawer with your POS, this button is your go-to. Click it to see options like opening the cash drawer, cashing in and out, viewing the sales summary, and closing the register for the day. Now, if you've added products to a sale and want to print, view, or email the receipt, use the Print button. Clicking it brings up options to print, view, or email the receipt. If you need to reprint a previous sale, the Print Last Sale button will appear. And if you need to print the receipt again for the kitchen, just select the Kitchen Print option from the Print menu. Now that we've discussed the buttons, let's talk about initiating a sale. Whether you're searching for a specific product, browsing through categories, or scanning barcodes, the sales screen offers multiple pathways for adding items to the transaction. Simply select the desired item and watch as the sale total and item count automatically update in real time. If you need to make adjustments to a sale item, you can select the item on the sales screen, which offers a range of actions to customize each transaction to perfection. Whether you need to modify quantities, adjust prices, apply discounts, add notes, or remove items from the sale, it's all just a tap away. If you want to add notes to the entire sale, simply select the Notes button. To add a customer to a sale, select the Customers button. Create a new one by selecting the New Customer button, or search for the customer name in the customer list. If you want to remove a customer or view their sales information, simply select the customer in the sale, and you will have the option to either remove them from the sale or view their sales history. If you have enabled tables or takeaways, this button allows you to specify if the sale is for dine-in or takeaway. Select the appropriate option, and the sale will be parked in the respective queue. To change the order number, select the Order Number button and edit the number. Alternatively, the order number can be automatically generated whenever there is a new sale. We'll cover this later on. To add a sale discount or surcharge, select the Add Discount or Surcharge button. Once all items have been added and any necessary adjustments made, it's time to complete the sale. Depending on the customer's preference, you can either park the sale for future processing or proceed with immediate payment. When you choose to complete the sale, simply select the Pay button. With a variety of payment options available, including FPOS and cash, finalizing transactions is quick, convenient, and hassle-free. For expedited FPOS transactions without navigating through additional screens, use the Quick FPOS button. This feature enables seamless processing of FPOS payments directly from the sales screen, eliminating the need to click the Pay button. Once payment is finalized, a completed sale dialog will appear. If a printer is configured, options for printing or emailing the receipt will be presented. Select the desired option, and then click the New Sale button to initiate another sale. Now, if you want to recreate a customer's previous order, this is possible as long as the previous sale had a customer attached to it. For repeat customers or those looking to reorder past purchases, the sales screen offers a convenient solution. Select the Customers button, then choose the customer whose order you want to recreate. Go to their information, access their sales section, and select the sale you want to recreate. Then choose the Recreate button. In summary, the sales screen provides all the tools you need to efficiently manage transactions. From adding items and applying discounts to handling payments and printing receipts, everything is designed for a seamless experience. Now that we've explored the sales screen, let's shift our focus to the dashboard. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, you can log into your SalesPoint dashboard through either the app or a web browser. If you're accessing SalesPoint through a web browser, simply enter your store name .salespoint.nz into the address bar. Please note that making a sale on the web browser is not supported. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the heart of your business operations, the dashboard, often referred to as the back office. This centralized hub is where you'll orchestrate the day-to-day management of your business. From analyzing sales figures to managing inventory and accessing key business insights, the dashboard empowers you to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. Let's go back to the app and take a closer look at the Sales Overview section. You'll be greeted with a comprehensive snapshot of your sales performance. Here, you'll find essential metrics such as revenue, profit, average sale, refund sales, and items sold for the day. Visualize your revenue and profit trends over time with this graph, and adjust date ranges as needed to gain deeper insights into your business performance. Payments received today are also shown in this overview. If you track stock levels, this area will show the low stock levels of products. If we scroll down, it will also show customizable KPIs. It can display different metrics such as sales made today, items sold today, and more. The overview also shows how many staff members you have, how many are signed in, the number of registered customers in your store, how many registered today, the total products in your inventory, and how many are new today. Lastly, this overview can also show the top stores, products, product categories, top customers, and top staff of the day. In summary, the sales overview provides a comprehensive snapshot of your store's performance. Now let's delve into the Reports tab. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of insights into various aspects of your business. You can view different types of reports depending on their purpose. In the sales report, you can customize your reports to focus on specific groupings, metrics, and timeframes, and export them for further analysis or financial reporting purposes. For instance, you can view each sale of the day and the products sold by selecting Sale Grouping, then Product Subgrouping, and then selecting View Report. This will give you the breakdown. In the Sales Ledger Report, you can customize and change the status of the sales you want to view. For example, to check only the completed sales ledger, change the status to display the completed sales for a specific time frame. The register report is useful if your store uses cash register balancing. It shows who opened and closed the register, records cash in and cash out transactions, and provides a summary of the register for a particular day. The payments report summarizes all the different payment transactions made in your business, including FPOs, cash, charge accounts, bank deposits, and other payment methods. If you have two POS systems and want to see the payment methods used for each POS, you can change the grouping dropdown to register and see each register's summarized report. If you want to see a comprehensive breakdown of sale payments, change the report type to list. This will show all payments used for all the sales done within a specific time frame, with a status indicating whether the payment was refunded, parked, or completed. The product report provides different reports. Select a report type from the drop-down menu to see various product reports. These include the new and updated products report, stock level for each product, stock value, report for products with 0 sales, markup pricing report, retail price history, and cost price history. Lastly, the staff report provides comprehensive information regarding the activities and performance of your employees. Select a report type from the drop-down menu to see different types of staff reports. If you want to see an overview of all your staff actions, including signing in and out, opening the cash drawer, issuing refunds, or changing prices, you can do so by selecting the Actions report type. Alternatively, you can view individual staff reports by going back to the Overview report and selecting a staff member's name. From here, you can view your staff members' sales and the actions they have executed using SalesPoint. Now let's delve into product management, a critical aspect of your business operations. Your products are the cornerstone of your enterprise, and effective management is paramount for sustained success. First, let's explore how to add new products to your store by selecting the Add button or modify existing ones by selecting them from the product list. Let's select the chai latte to see its information. Begin in the General section. Here, you can see the basic product information of this product, such as the product name, description, and categories. This foundational data ensures that your products are accurately represented and easily searchable within your system. Within the General section, you will also find the pricing. The retail price for this has been set, but you can also create multiple pricing options by selecting the Add Price button. This will give you different types of pricing, including setting a price for customer discounts, store prices if you have multiple stores, wholesale prices, and pricing tiers. Now, if you also want the system to prompt for a quantity for this product, when it's first selected for sale, select Quantity from the Prompt dropdown. We'd also have prompts for price, name, notes, and ID. You can set these using the appropriate prompt field. This is useful if you want the system to prompt for additional information before adding this product to a sale. Next, let's move to the stock section for this product. Managing your inventory level for this product is crucial to ensure you have the right amount of stock on hand without overstocking or understocking. Here, you can track your stock. Enable the toggle, then specify the current stock level for your store, low stock level amount, and the ideal stock level. Setting these parameters helps automate your inventory management by alerting you when it's time to restock certain items. Additionally, you can utilize the co-reduction field to link related products. For example, if you're using chai powder when creating this order, the chai powder's stock gets reduced when this order is selected. This co-reduction field is useful for ensuring accurate inventory management and reducing the risk of stock discrepancies. Next, go to the Options section, also known as the Variance section for businesses like retail. This section allows you to offer customization and choices to your customers. Whether you're selling clothing with different sizes and colors or food with various toppings, SalesPoint's options and variations feature make it easy to create customizable products. For this chai latte, there are two groups, milk and size. In the milk section, there are different types of milk added and the additional price for each. the standard milk option has its default toggle on, meaning if a customer doesn't select an option for milk, standard milk will be used for the order. Next, the size section. In this grouping, we have small, regular, and large sizes without additional pricing. Options don't need to have pricing if not needed. The multiple options can be chosen toggle has been enabled so that multiple options can be selected for this product. Now, see how this looks on the sales screen. On the sales screen, let's select the chai latte. After selecting this product, a prompt for options will appear. Let's select almond milk for the milk option and size small. You can see on the screen that there is an additional price for almond milk, but no additional price for a small size. The option price for almond milk will then be added to the initial price of this product. Now let's move on to the advanced section, which allows you to set recommendations, enable scales for product weighing, and restrict specific payment types for certain products. The advanced section has the recommendations field, where recommended items will be displayed after selecting the current product at sale time. This is beneficial if you want recommended products to be shown on the screen to boost sales when the product is selected. Lastly, let's discuss payment types. If you want to restrict customers from paying with a certain payment method for this product, select the payment method from this drop-down that this product cannot be paid with. Once you're done creating or updating the product, press the Save button to save changes. Now let's discuss product discounts. In the Discounts tab, you can establish various discount schemes to entice customers and enhance sales. Select the Add Discount button to create one. You can specify discounts such as $2 off coffee, 10% off coffee, any 2 for $8 for coffee, or even offering every third coffee for free. Additionally, you can set promotions like 30% off for the whole store. Set the type of discount you would like, then search for the product or product category to which this discount will be applied. You can also set the validity period for this discount. You can set a specific date or day for the discount to be applied, or you can run the discount for a limited time. Furthermore, you can create customer-specific discounts. This feature is particularly useful for offering special deals to attract new customers or reward loyal ones. To do this, enable Restrict to specific customers only. You can then either select a customer category or leave it open to all registered customers. Now, when this product is added to a sale, the discount will be applied only if there is a customer associated with the sale. Let's do an example. Let's create a Saturday morning discount with 10% off the drinks menu every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. To set this, we need to create a name. We will call this Saturday morning 10% coffee, then select the percent discount and enter 10%. On the products section, search for the drinks product category. Once added, change the availability to specific days and select Saturday only. Then set the start time to 9 a.m. and the end time to 11 a.m. Once you're done, select the Add button. This means that for that specific hour from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., the drinks menu is 10% off. By following these steps, you can easily manage and apply various discount strategies to boost sales and customer satisfaction. Lastly, there are a few additional features you need to know about. Efficiently manage your product list by importing and exporting it in bulk. This functionality is crucial for maintaining large inventories and supports seamless data integration with other systems, ensuring smooth operations and accurate inventory management. Streamline your workflow and save time with bulk operations tools for general property updates, pricing updates, and stock management. These tools are invaluable for managing large inventories and making extensive changes efficiently. To do this, go to the product list and tick the products you want to change together. Select the Edit button and change the necessary properties, pricing, and stock you want to change. Don't forget to click the Update button to save the changes. If you require certain products to be available only at specific times of the day, you can adjust their availability by configuring time restrictions within the product category settings. Navigate to the Categories tab, select the product category you wish to restrict, and set the desired availability time window. If you need to conduct a stock take of your products, navigate to the Stock Control tab and select the New button, then choose Stock Take. Here, list all the products you wish to include in the stock take and update their inventory quantities accordingly. Once processed, the stock levels for these products will be adjusted accordingly. Additionally, within the Stock Control tab, you have the option to perform other inventory operations such as ordering stock, returning stock, or transferring stock if you have multiple stores. Ensure you have listed your suppliers in the Suppliers tab before placing orders or performing stock operations. In summary, SalesPoint's product management suite enables businesses to meticulously detail products, manage stock efficiently, and offer customizable options to customers. With these features, your business can maintain a competitive edge and ensure customer satisfaction. Now let's talk about customer management, which is essential for every successful business. With SalesPoint, managing your customer base becomes straightforward and intuitive. In the Customer Overview tab, you can access a comprehensive list of all your customers. Utilize the search and filter options to quickly find specific customers. Adding new customers or editing existing ones is simple. Click the Add New Customer button to input details such as name, contact information, and preferences. Newly created customers will then be added to the list available for sale on the sales screen. Next, let's discuss customer discounts using customer categories. If you wish to offer customer discounts, you can do so by creating customer categories. Organize your customers into groups for targeted marketing and personalized service. For instance, let's create a VIP discount of 10%. Then, in the customer list, select customer Amy Smith and assign them to the VIP group. On the sales screen, adding a customer associated with a discount will automatically apply the discount to their purchase. This feature is particularly useful for providing discounts to members of specific groups. Next, let's talk about customer invoices. If a customer hasn't yet paid for their purchase and requires an invoice, you can generate one or select the unpaid invoice by navigating to the Invoice tab. Search for their name or sale ID, then select the invoice. This invoice will then give you the option to email or print it. Once this invoice has been paid, you can select the Mark as Paid button to mark it as a paid invoice. Alternatively, you can view the customer's recent sales by selecting their name from the customer list on the dashboard. From there, you can view all their sales in SalesPoint by selecting the Recent Sales button. Unpaid sales will then have a parked status icon. Lastly, there are a few additional customer features you need to know about. Enable the Customer Loyalty feature from the Customer section in the General Settings to allow customers to earn loyalty points from their purchases. Specify the spending requirement for earning points, such as earning $1 for every $10 spent. These points can be used as a payment method, encouraging repeat business from loyal customers. Please ensure that the Earn Loyalty toggle has been enabled for the products you want customers to earn points from. For example, on the sales screen, select customer Amy Smith for the sale and add a $10 purchase. Then proceed to pay for their purchase via cash. To check their balance on the sales screen, navigate to the customer list and select the information icon next to their name. This will display how many points they earned from this sale. Alternatively, you can view Amy Smith's loyalty points from the Customer Overview, where it shows she has 1 loyalty point. Once customers have accumulated enough points, they can use them as a payment method. On the sales screen, search for the customer by scrolling through the customer list, using the search bar, or scanning their membership code. After adding the customer to the sale, select the Pay button. Loyalty points will appear as a payment option, which can be used up to the displayed balance. This flexibility in payment options enhances the customer experience and encourages loyalty. Next, enable the Charge Account feature to allow customers to make purchases on credit. Enable this toggle in the Customer section of the General Settings. Set a global balance limit or set individual limits for each customer by updating their balance limit in their customer information. For instance, you can set a global balance limit of $50 debit, allowing customers to charge up to $50 before needing to pay off their balance. Alternatively, set a $20 debit balance limit for customer Amy Smith, limiting her account to $20 debit before needing to pay it off. Let's go through an example. On the sales screen, select Amy Smith again and add a product costing $10. Then select the Pay button and choose the Charge Account option. This updates the customer's balance to $10 debit. Once their balance reaches the $20 debit limit, they cannot use the charge account until they pay it down. To pay off a customer's charge account, there are two methods, via the dashboard or through their customer information on the sales screen. To do this via the sales screen, open the customer's information and click the Pay Account button. Settle their debit by selecting how much they would like to pay. Once the payment is made, close the account balance first to refresh it. Then, reopen the information to view the updated balance. Alternatively, in the dashboard, find the customer's name on the customer list and select the Pay button within their account details. Choose how to pay for their account, and the balance will be updated accordingly. This provides a centralized location to manage all customer account payments, ensuring balances are up to date. To view the type of payments to pay for the account, select the payment history from the customer information, which details each payment method used when paying for their account. This feature helps keep track of all transactions, providing a clear record for both the business and the customer. In summary, SalesPoint offers comprehensive customer management tools, allowing businesses to easily organize and track customer information. Next, let's discuss staff members. Your team is crucial to your business's success. Let's explore how to manage your staff effectively using SalesPoint. Adding new staff members is straightforward. In the Staff Settings section, click the Add New Staff button, input their details, and assign permissions. It's essential to designate permissions carefully to ensure that each staff member has access to the appropriate features and data. Staff permissions can also be customized by selecting the Custom Permission type, which means they can have access to specific areas on the dashboard. For instance, a staff member with custom permission for only the reports and customers means that when this staff member signs into the dashboard, they can only access these areas. Now, for accessing the dashboard on the app, staff members with admin permissions can access it, while those with sales permissions won't have access. Let's check the access for Staff 01 and Staff 02. First, let's sign in as Staff 01. When we first sign into the app using the username and password credentials, the dashboard will be shown first, indicating that this staff member has admin permissions. Now, let's sign out and sign in as Staff 02. When we sign this staff member in, the app goes to the sales screen immediately, indicating that this staff member does not have access to the dashboard. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard and talk about staff working hours. Edit their store hours to track the time they work in the store by selecting a staff member from the staff list and going to their hours section. This is essential if your store uses staff bookings, as it allows you to manage and monitor staff availability effectively. Lastly, there are a couple of additional features regarding staff. In the Settings section, enable staff switching for easy access to sales without the need for staff to sign out. To use this feature, sign in one of your staff members to the store, and when they want to switch, simply select the hamburger menu, then select the Switch button. This will display an active icon on the login page, which staff members can click to log in without using their credentials. If you want the staff member to sign in with their credentials while using the Switch button, enable the toggle Require Username or Quick Code after switching. Additionally, enable Quick Code Access, allowing staff to use a unique code for streamlined login, eliminating the need for repetitive username and password entry. This is useful for quick access to the sales screen. When it comes to the permissions section, tailor them to suit your store's requirements. For instance, you can restrict staff members from paying customer charge accounts or adding new customers on the sales screen. This level of customization ensures that your staff can perform their duties efficiently while maintaining security and compliance standards. In summary, effective staff management is crucial for smooth business operations. With SalesPoint, adding and managing staff members is simple and efficient. By assigning roles and permissions, you can control access to sensitive information and ensure that each staff member has the necessary tools to perform their job effectively. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's dive into the final details regarding your settings. Enable SalesPoint to sell online seamlessly by activating e-commerce. This integration streamlines your operations and ensures seamless data flow between systems. In the general settings, configure the following. In the business section, input your business name, address, and contact details. These details are crucial for generating accurate receipts and reports. Customize SalesPoint to fit your business's unique needs by exploring the various available settings. Next, in the Features section, enable essential settings for your store's operations. Begin by selecting the appropriate business type to align with your store's needs. This is crucial so you can optimize the features for each business type. Then, enable Register Balancing. This is useful if you want to open and close registers. Select an accurate report by choosing a close register report with the correct end-of-day time, ideally matching your FPOS settlement time for precise reporting. In the Products section, optimize product management by toggling the Combine Sale Items option to accumulate items on receipts rather than listing them individually. Customize your product grid to suit your inventory size. For hospitality businesses, dining and tables are available features when this business type is selected. Enable dining and tables to create a table layout for your establishment. Similarly, enable takeaways and order numbers for streamlined takeout orders. If you want to offer gift cards, enable the gift card feature for voucher transactions. Create gift cards from the General Feature settings or directly from the Products menu. Use gift cards as a payment method with access to a gift card report and balance/history button on the sales screen. If you want to integrate with Xero, you can do so by connecting your Xero account from the Add-ons section. Manage accepted payment methods effectively from the Payments section, from FPOS to cash, or even custom payments. Enable the payment methods you want to use for your store for smooth transactions. Additionally, track cash transactions, including cash-ins and cash-outs, for accurate financial tracking. Enhance customer interactions and foster loyalty by configuring charge accounts, loyalty rewards, and modern invoicing options from the Customer section. If you want to stay organized with easy appointment and booking management, enable the Calendar section. Enable toggles to optimize the use of the calendar. This calendar will then also show on the sales screen. To access it, select the hamburger button, and from there, select the calendar button. Select a slot to add a booking. Add the booking information and press the Add button. From here, you can manage booking reservations of customers. Next, back to the dashboard to expand your business seamlessly by adding multiple stores to your account, allowing for centralized control and integration across all locations. Go to the Stores section. If you want to customize your receipts, go to the Receipts settings. From here, personalize your store customer and kitchen receipts. Make a lasting impression on your customers with personalized receipts. Customize the format and design of your receipts to align with your brand identity and enhance the customer experience. If you want your register to require a password for certain actions, such as opening a cash drawer, refunding a sale, or changing a sale discount, you can do this by going to Register Settings and selecting the register you want to set up. Then, navigate to the Security section. If you don't want to have certain functionalities, such as changing sale item prices or parking a sale, you can adjust this in the Functionality section of the Register settings. Lastly, find valuable resources in the Support tab, including troubleshooting tips, setup instructions, and best practices to make the most of SalesPoint for your business. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of SalesPoint. With these powerful tools and features, you can manage your business more efficiently and effectively. For more information and detailed guides, visit our website or contact our support team.